How to hide photos on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide photos on your iPhone. So to hide photos, first of all, let's go to photos and then simply select the photo which you want to hide. So currently it will be this photo right over here. Let's say you want to hide this photo. What you have to do now is simply tap on the three dots which is on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to simply tap on the option hide. After that, a confirmation will appear saying hide photo. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, the photo has been removed from this album. Now if you want to view the hidden photo, simply scroll down and there you can see the option hidden. Now in order to view the hidden photos, you'll have to either enter your Face ID or simply enter the passcode of your device. And once you've done that, you will be able to see the list of all of the different hidden photos on your iPhone. So that is basically how you hide photos on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.